Hello cuties, today I show you how I made this strawberry crochet hat. Fantastic, it's so fun. I'm still learning to crochet, so come along with me. So you will need soft chenille yarn, medium hook, stitch markers, and obviously love for strawberries. This is the beautiful color yarn I found, and it was the one I got inspired from. So let's begin. You have to start doing a slip knot and some chains. It's up on you to decide how many chains you have to do based on how high you want the hat. When you have finished the chains, you come back on the chain doing half double stitches. It's important that you mark the first stitch of the second row with the stitch markers, because trust me, you will not find it again. It's really not easy to see the stitches with this type of yarn, trust me. Based on how many chains you have done, leave always like 5 or 6 stitches at the end where you change the type of stitches from half double to the single stitch. So every time you finish the line, turn around and come back. Do it again, until you obtain the right length of the hat based on the measure of your hat. It's important that you make the stitches only in the back loop on the stitch below, so that you can have a particular pattern of the hat. After you finished it, try on the hat and then close it. Pull inside of the hat every excess of the yarn and proceed with the other parts of the hat. To make the leaves of the strawberry, you can use the same type of yarn but in the color green, as I did it here. I started with a magic ring of 5 stitches, and then I made 3 or 5 rounds. Then you start some chains, and when you come back from the chain, you go ahead doing every time bigger stitches. So you start with slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. And then you close on the round and start again doing like 4 or 5 leaves. leaves are done, you put them on the top of the hat. You have to pay attention and put in the exact middle of the hat, like right on the top. After that, if you want, you can proceed doing the seeds of the strawberries. I choose to make them white because I prefer. I think it's more cute. So you take the same type of yarn but in the color white, and then you proceed doing like a V-shape sign with the white yarn on the hat. That's it, that's the final result. Do you like it? I love it. I think it's perfect to bring a little joy in the winter. What do you think? If you like it, you can also find it on my Etsy shop. I will put the link below in the description if you want to shop it. Just know that with a hat you will find a little gift, this keychain with a little strawberry. I think it's so cute and you can match it with a hat. Let me know in the comments what you think about this hat and what other things you want to see. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, it would mean a lot for me. And also stay tuned for more videos. Bye cuties!